5 ways to style a graphic t-shirt featuring this gorgeous one from Sézane, my new favorite. Actually, I shouldn't say my new favorite because I have 2 graphic t-shirts and they're both from Sézane. So if anyone can get me to buy a graphic t-shirt, it is this company. It is French if you haven't heard of Sézane before. And actually I should call the video how to style a graphic t-shirt and these earrings because also from Sézane. I'm a bit of an addict if you can't tell. But these went with everything that you'll see soon. So anyway, a little bit of history behind this shirt. It is, yeah, a graphic t-shirt from Sézane, and the owner who started it, Morgane Sézane, I think this is one of her first screen prints that she did. So she brought this back in t-shirt form, and I think she originally sold it in France, where she's from, and then they did a collaboration with Madewell. So there was a La Superbe sweatshirt. So I got this and I tried it on with a million things, and so I decided to make a video on how to do that. So I will get started on the looks for you. This is what I like to call my grandpa look. These trousers are from Mango. I will link everything below. If they are sold out, then I will do what I can to find something similar. But I love how this shirt pairs with trousers. This could be like a casual workday look. I love gray and brown paired together, and I think this look is overall very fresh. This is a really good look for work, especially for the summer. I love the white graphic elements paired together. So the graphic t-shirt paired with the graphic shorts work very well together because they keep in the same lines and they're in different proportion. Paired with it is a light colored blazer paired with a nice faux leather work bag from Matinette and then some neutral heels. This is my easy, simple, classic look, but with a little bit of a colorful twist. So I have the t-shirt tucked into some high-waisted jeans, and then I have it paired with my bright yellow earrings and some vintage rainbow shoes. I think pairing this t-shirt and jeans with something bright and colorful and interesting, like something vintage, makes it completely your own look and something that other people just can't duplicate. And here is my beautiful cloth bag again, paired with a long jacket from Oak & Fort. If that is available, I will link that below, but otherwise anything long will work well with this look. A long cardigan or any other long jacket, a trench coat works very well. I have it paired with my favorite new shorts from Aritzia and my slip-on loafers, which are my perfect mom on the go shoe. And this is my most feminine look with the graphic t-shirt paired with the pleated skirt. I am wearing an extra small in the t-shirt, and I think because it is so form-fitting, I think it works well with skirts. It is paired with, yeah, a colorful bag from Sézane, my Everlane Day flats. This is just like a nice, easy weekend look that I think you can just honestly wear everywhere. And those are all my looks. I hope you enjoyed everything. I really enjoyed making this video. It was actually relatively easy to do because a graphic t-shirt I think is so versatile. Again, I will have everything linked below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. And please contact me through Instagram and commenting below like you have been. It's been really fun connecting with you all through here. And have a good day.